Namaskar. This is Dr. Abhinav Jain. I am posted as a consultant in the Department of Urology and Kidney Transplant at Dharamshila Hospital, New Delhi. So now we will be discussing about what are kidneys and what functions do they perform in our body. So kidneys are two glands. They are around 10 centimeters each, and they are situated on the underside of our rib cage, on either sides or on either back. So kidneys perform very important functions for our body. The first and foremost is it regulates the amount of water or the extracellular fluid present in the body. So what does this mean exactly? This means that kidneys, they are constantly filtering out the excess water and the solutes which are present in the body, and they are not letting it stagnate in our body. So many of you must have seen that kidney patients, they have swelling over their body, they have swelling under their eyes, they have swelling in their feet. So this is simply because of the reason that excess water which is being accumulated is not able to filter out from the body, and this remains inside the body because the kidney functions are deficient in these patients. So what this excess water can do, this can accumulate in the body, this can accumulate in the lungs, and it can cause breathing difficulties. So such patients, they may need an emergency dialysis also. Then second important function is the production of hemoglobin. So there is a hormone by the name of erythropoietin. So kidneys are constantly producing this hormone which is required to produce hemoglobin and blood in our body. So you may see that some of the patients of kidney disorders, they are chronically anemic. That is, they have a less of hemoglobin. So these patients, they either need to be supplemented with oral iron tablets, or they need to be supplemented with a hormone known as erythropoietin, which is usually given during their dialysis to build up their hemoglobin. Then third important function the kidney serves is the solute and salt homeostasis. So what does this mean? There is an important mineral which is known as potassium. Potassium rather is a salt which is very important for our body. And what does excess potassium do to our body? This excess potassium is bad for our heart, and our heart muscles can even stop contracting if this potassium rises in our body. So the patients usually land up in emergency in hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia is excess of potassium in our body, and these patients may need emergency dialysis to remove the potassium from their body. Then fourth important function the kidneys serve is vitamin D homeostasis. So what does this mean? That vitamin D, which is required for the mineralization of our bones and to keep our bones healthy, so the active form of vitamin D is generated in our kidneys. So if you find that the kidneys are not functioning well, these patients are usually deficient in vitamin D. So this may cause bony pain, or their bony health may be impaired. So we need to supplement these patients with enough doses of vitamin D. Then another important function the kidneys serve is blood pressure regulation. So if you find that the kidneys of a patient are not functioning adequately or not up to the mark, then their blood pressure usually remains at a high or a very high level. So this needs to be controlled maybe with 1, 2 or 3 medicines. And whenever you find that the kidney functions are returning back to normal, so these blood pressure also tends to come back to normal. Then another important function is the drug metabolism. So whatever drugs we are taking, either orally or injectable drugs, so some of these drugs are directly metabolized by kidney, and then they are filtered out and excreted by kidney, and their concentration does not reach a very dangerous level in the body. So similarly is the case with some toxins. So the kidney serves to remove or filter these excess toxins from our body, so that they are no longer harmful for us. So these are some of the important functions the kidneys serve. Thank you.